Hello children, welcome back to the class. This is lesson number 1 in computer standard 8. In the previous session we saw the MCQ part. Today we will see the question answer part. Number 1, write the method to start Flash program. Answer: to start Flash program, click start all programs, Macromedia Flash 8, or double click on the Flash 8 icon on the desktop to start the Flash program. Till here mark. Answer number 1. Next, second question. Write the name of the main parts of the Flash screen. Answer: the main parts of Flash screen are stage, timeline and panels. Next, number 3. Which boxes are seen at the bottom of the Flash timeline? Answer: the lower part of timeline shows the boxes of current frame, frames per second and elapsed time. Next, number 4. What is the importance of grid in Flash? Answer: page number 2, top. We can use the grid properly till comma this paragraph full. Next, number 5. Write the name of Flash panels. Answer: page number 3, panels title. There are many different panels in Flash like tools, library, property, etc. till here. Next, number 6. What is the method to display toolbox in Flash? Answer: page number 3. If toolbox is not visible, then click window, tools, or click Control F2 to bring it on the screen. Next, 7. What is the shortcut key for pencil tool and pen tool of Flash? Answer: page number 5, pencil tool shortcut key. So you have to write the shortcut key for pencil tool is Y. Next, pen tool shortcut key is P. Shortcut key for pen tool is P. Like that you have to write. This is answer number 7. Next, 8. What is the use of library panel and color mixer in Flash? Answer: page number 11. Library panel is located just below the color mixture on the right side of the Flash screen. Library panel shows the ready-made buttons used in Flash and buttons, drawings, etc. prepared by the user. And for color mixer, you can also write color mixer is used to create different colors. Like that you can add. The direct answer is not given, so color mixer is used to make different colors. Like that you can write the answer. That is answer number 8. 9th one. What is the use of stroke color tool in Flash? Answer: page number 5. Stroke color is used to change the line color. Stroke color is used to change the line color. This is answer number 10. Answer number 9. Next, 10. In Flash, how can we draw a closed diagram without any fill color? Answer: page number 5. Start from here. Pen tool automatically draws the line till end of the paragraph. Selected fill color till here. Answer 10. 11. What is the use of free transform tool in Flash? Answer: page number 8. Start from here. Using free transform tool, we can reduce till this one, free transform tool, end of that first paragraph. Answer number 11. Next 12. What is the use of lasso tool in Flash? Answer page number 9. Lasso tool title. Start from here. Using lasso tool we can select to third line. Select that part of the drawing. Till here mark it as 12. This is the 12th answer. Number 13. What is the use of publish setting dialog box of Flash? Further you can write the answer. You can start from here. From the question, the use of publish setting dialog box of Flash is to select file type from different file types available in the formats. Like this you can write the answer. Or you can see in page number 12, then click publish setting option, from there to format tab. So this is the answer, but then earlier I gave the modified answer. So which I gave modified answer, that you can write. So this is the location of the answer. Next 14. What is special about Flash file saved with .swf format? Answer page number 12, second line. The Flash files on websites are in such a format which do not allow us to make any changes. The Flash animations on websites can only be viewed. Extension of such a file is .swf. So with this file extension we can't make any changes, just we can see the answer, just to view the animation. This is the answer of 14. Next question 3. Write any 2 points of difference. Number 1, pencil tool and pen tool. Answer page number 5. So for this, while writing difference, make column, write pencil tool like this column, then pen tool, write 2 points of difference. So number 1, and the title pencil tool, first point, pencil tool used to draw freehand drawings. Then our title pen tool, first point, pen tool automatically draws line connecting 2 points. The second point for pencil tool, the shortcut key for pencil tool is Y. Then second point for pen tool is, the shortcut key for pen tool is P. Like that you can write. Next number 2, stroke color and fill color. Answer page number 5, stroke color. For stroke color is used to change the line color. Then for fill color is used to select the color to be filled in the closed diagram. This is the answer for number 2. Next number 3, selection tool and lasso tool. Answer page number 8, selection tool. Start from here, selecting selection tool, from there to third line can be selected, plus lasso tool. Using lasso tool to third line part of the drawing. These 2 are answer for 3.3. Next is .fla file and .swf file. Answer page number 12. So if you save the file name with .fla extension, the user can modify and view the file. But if you save the file with .swf, we can see or rather view the file. We can't make any modification. So what will be the answer? If the file extension has .fle extension, then the user can only view the file. On the other, like that you can write for .fle. Then for .swf, if you save the file with the .swf extension, the user can only view the file. You can't modify. Like that you can write the answer. Question number 4. Prepare the following flash file. This is to be done in computer. Need not write in your notebook. Next is question 5. Match the following tools of flash and answer. 18 are given. Answer also is written here. See, rectangle tool R, pen tool P, text tool T, like that. Answers are given here. Just to go through it and mark in your textbook also. Then write in your notebook. With this, our lesson number 1 is finished. Try to finish the answers in a notebook and submit when the date is given to you. Also, learn for the examination. Thank you.